Okay.
Now, you told me that you've been doing some harvesting in your field. Your combine apparently was moved, but your outbuildings are okay.
I don't know whether it lifted the combine. Done a lot of damage to it.
How about your buildings up there? Are they all right?
It damaged the. I got 3 houses here, and my hired man lives south of the road, and my daughter and we live on the north side of the road. And I seen this coming. I see it on TV now, and it really looked terrible.
That kind of looks like what it looked like from your viewpoint.
It went right between the trees and the house on the south side of the road.
Well, we're certainly happy that there were no injuries sustained up there, Mr. Rice, and thank you for chatting with us tonight.
All right, Tom, what we want to do is go back to that weather video regarding that tornado and tell you a little bit more about where exactly that weather was shot. This comes from the camera of Arlene Herrigstead from the Mohall farm there. Now, that's located 7 miles west, 1 mile north, and a 1/4 mile west. This is shot on home video, and we thank very much Arlene, who braved what could have been a very potentially dangerous situation. This is believed to be, if I'm correct, one of the tornadoes that touched down. Tom?
This was, I think, 3 miles east of Mohall, where the Rice farm is. And
if we continue on, we will see a little bit closer about exactly where that tornado passed, and it can tell you the potentially dangerous situation that at least one farmyard did face. We suspect that this took place somewhere around 8 o'clock tonight.
Well, if you'll take a look here, you'll see how big this tornado is in correlation with the size of the farmhouses there. This is a huge, huge tornado, and obviously a very dangerous situation, and it's going to continue to be a dangerous situation. This thunderstorm cell that's moving up in that direction is actually moving almost straight east. There was another tornado touchdown reported in Willow City, about a mile north of Willow City. There was another tornado reported tonight. In fact, as we speak, in the north central part of North Dakota in Rolette County, there was a tornado touchdown there. There, of course, with that tornado touchdown, in a tornado warning until around 11:15 p.m. tonight, as you mentioned earlier.
So the situation remaining potentially dangerous, not only for the immediate time, but as we continue on with the storm that is moving through our area.
Oh, it'll remain potentially dangerous all the way through probably northern Minnesota. There are severe thunderstorm warnings issued until like 4 o'clock in the morning through, well, the rest of northern North Dakota, the entire northern tier of North Dakota, on through northwestern Minnesota, north central Minnesota, all the way through the Arrowhead region. So it's a potentially very dangerous storm.
All right, nice job. We'll talk to you later.
Thank you.
Our weather tonight overshadowed.